Here we go. Hey everybody, welcome to part four with Mitch Alomar and
Renzo Buckingham.
all right, let's go. The last few parts were starting from scratch, choosing a template, campaign objective, and we're gonna discuss in this video targeting, how to target. So I'll put the previous links down below and let's get into targeting. Renzo, what when you hear targeting, if you're starting out, what does that mean for a person beginning?
Who their audience is, the audience they're going after. Who are they going? It's not targeting a city or something. It's actually who is their avatar that they're targeting.
So a lot of people, they might not even know who's their avatar. So this is the amazing part about this. We're gonna get into ads.
This is an
So
avatar.
this is Renzo's drawing on my screen, and the avatar is your ideal person,
Your client.
your client. Let's say in this particular case, we're discussing this is for an HVAC company. Renzo, you want to stop drawing on my screen and maybe you want to point arrows? This is an HVAC company, and they want to do free tune-ups installation. Who are they looking for? You want to
Homeowners.
homeowners, right? Homeowners. So I'm just gonna put some notes here. Homeowners, right? That's who they want to target. Um, Now let me how to close that. Okay, so the next thing is let's go here. It's we're gonna discuss homeowners. Here is your Facebook page, which account your Facebook wants to launch from. You could choose your Instagram account. Let's say you want to choose a different Instagram account. This is your the HVAC person. This is going to be placements. We're going to discuss that in the next video. Placements, that will be the next video actually, like how to target and which placement. And then a daily budget is you could do as low as $1.
$1 a day to test your ads. Who
$1.
Everybody could afford that.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get more into budgeting later on, but you can start $1, right? This video is gonna be about targeting. So let's say um the location, it's gonna be in, let's say, Cherry Hill, New Jersey.
I've been there before.
Yeah, Cherry Hill.
Right here
Uh
next to Philadelphia.
yeah, right next to Philadelphia. And let's say this HVAC company only wants to go after, they don't want to drive too much. They want to just go maybe a, a 10-mile radius, right?
10 miles. So, oh, you can see all the cities that it's going to cover.
Yeah, it's very important. Um, let's say it's overlapping Philadelphia. Uh
I heard you get taxed if you work in Philadelphia. You got to pay the toll to get across the bridge.
yes,
You
yes,
don't
you do.
want leads over there. What am I going to
Yeah.
do with leads in Philadelphia? They're going to cost too much.
So a lot of people they just don't like Philadelphia, so they don't want to cross the bridge. And you see this little arrow here, it's like going like this is the bridge, the Delaware River. Now you want to exclude that, and now it won't target this people because it's the exclusion zone. Renzo, did I say it a little clear? Like
No,
it,
that makes totally sense. We're
yeah,
excluding Philadelphia because they tax hard.
yeah,
The business there, you got to pay a toll. So is it $8 to go over the bridge? $8 to come back. That's $20 right there.
yes, yeah.
And then you have
Actually,
the
that's
Philadelphia tax. The Goombas are waiting for you. Hey, come in, Vinny. Come to Vinny's town. Give me your money. You
so
can go
that
to taxation.
that's a a lot of people targeting also maybe HVAC company in New Jersey. There are certain places I know Renzo's in California, but maybe Renzo, you want to point this out? Like in New Jersey, a lot of people they don't want to go to Deptford. They don't want to go to like Cinnaminson. You could exclude little pockets and with your targeting because people might not pay in those areas.
They can't afford it, or
They
they
can't
don't need
afford it.
it, or they don't need it. They just that type of apartment building. It's an apartment area because
Yeah.
there's some towns that it's all apartments. You're not gonna get any HVAC deals there. You want homeowners and you want to stay with the towns that have that type of income, right? Like they make, 150 plus a year. They could afford a new AC unit. They want to upgrade their home to a 5 ton or 7 ton unit, 5 ton unit.
Yeah. So I
Want
would
new
say
trucks.
the most important thing is when everybody's there targeting, let's say if Cinnamon's in it's an area that doesn't pay, you could just go to city and then exclude. Now,
Oh, see ya.
now you targeting an area, you're putting your money. If you would throw $1 bills at a particular area, you wanted to focus on you're guiding the way which way you want it to go, right? You could even go just really focus if you wanted to really narrow it down. You could target everybody in the mall, right? If you wanted to go that far. Um,
We did
so
a target of an event.
yeah, so we should discuss like we discuss that'll be another video, but an
Another
event
time.
targeting. So in this video is just targeting the location. You could go local, national. Hopefully this video helped you out in your targeting. You could increase your budget. You want to reach more people. And friends, with anything I'm leaving out before we get into
Oh,
the
that's
next video?
perfect. That's a great explanation of you're targeting people, including and excluding. A lot of people don't know that it can exclude cities. A lot of people I know they do these ads, they just do the radius and walk away.
Yeah.
It's better to do it right because you're gonna get those leads and your client's gonna be mad at you that you're sending them to Philadelphia. He's gonna be like, I don't want the Philadelphia leads. I don't want to meet cousin Vinny.
Because of Vinny.
Or maybe they want to go to Philadelphia and get a Philly cheesesteak. I don't know.
Yeah, I would say this is based on targeting, but let's say this is for basic people, but if you are advanced in here, let's say your customer for yourself, let's say you have people who purchased a lot from you, you could upload your zip codes, you could upload particular areas
Oh yeah,
that
you get
you could
really granular.
yeah, you could go granular and you could call this the winner campaign of the people you've made money with already. I know a lot of clients they just like to go near Atlantic City because that's where people convert the most. So you could choose winner campaigns. There goes Renzo doing hearts. Let's go. All right, guys. So see you in the next one. That's about targeting. Any questions, feel free to comment below. All right.
Comment.